Hello everyone, this is the second version of AI Content Editor and I will show you how to use it. So this is the list of all articles. To add the new one, click this button and here we can choose the method, the type of the generating this article. I will show you how to make article based on the URL. So let's start finding this URL. Okay, so let's look for this specific article, and to generate based on any article of your competitors or your article, just select here generate article. So we will go here again. Okay, put name here. You can choose the language, and the new feature is like you can select the size of the article. You can choose short, medium or long. And let's click create. And Seodity getting all of this SEO data for this specific article, and we are crawling this web page and we are putting it into GPT-4. So that's why those articles are so good. Okay, so the article is generating right now. Okay, it's generated. So let's go here. We have AI assistants, so we can use them to shorten, expand, simplify, rephrase, correct grammar, or make the new paragraph. And you can also click continue button to make this article a little bit longer, but let's do something like this. If we make a new line, we got an option of new paragraph or FAQ, but let's start from this. So we will make a new paragraph based on our text, but what AI content editor doing, it know the whole context of the article or of our SEO data. So let's look at this. You can choose the size of the paragraph and creativity, and let's generate the text. And of course this text is based on this specific title we made, but also on the whole article. Okay, so we can apply it. So it's really good. Yeah, and let's go click continue button. Yeah, so making an article are really easy right now, yeah? And this is how we are doing our articles, and it works really, really good. Thank you so much.